Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the Geist Leather Care training course that was held over 2 days here at Clean and Shiny in Aldershot, Hampshire. On this occasion, 7 detailers from around the UK gained hands-on knowledge of all aspects of leather care and restoration. Gary from Pro Detailing UK, who is a Geist ambassador and trainer, covered all stages that must be performed to get the best results when dealing with customers' vehicles and beyond. Leather cleaning, damage repair, colour mixing and matching, airbrushing and product choice were just some of the areas that were covered. Towards the end of day 1, the guys had learnt about the different types of leather, how to mix and match colours, as well as perform repairs. Day 2 focused on filling cracked leather and refinishing surfaces with sanding and spraying techniques.
Hey guys, it's Gary from Geist and we're here with Clean and Shiny. If you're interested in attending one of the next Geist training courses, we've got one in December on the 4th and the 5th. 2-day course held here, Clean and Shiny in Aldershot. Hope to see you soon.